What's a new crew? If you're new, my name's Cassandra and today we are talking about my Aldi haul for my large family of 7. Included in my grocery budget are all my groceries, household items, diapers, wipes, shampoos, toiletries, like all of it. Everything that I need to run my household for an entire month I will shop for at the beginning of the month, and then usually I don't have to go back. But with it being summer break, I'm usually doing a mid-month grocery haul. Hopefully that'll kind of taper out as the garden starts to produce and the orchard starts to produce, and we'll have more berries and fresh vegetables and things. And typically at that point the only thing we're going back for is like gallons of milk or drinks, with it being summer, things like that. However, I just got out of Aldi. My total came to $280, which was awesome. I was really expecting it to be closer to like the $300 or $350 range, so I'm really happy with that. Let's go ahead, head home, lay everything out, and show you guys everything I got. Graham crackers were all on sale because of the 4th of July, so I got 2 boxes of regular and then a cinnamon one. The kids really liked these last month. My kids like to just put peanut butter on these and eat them as a snack, so a couple boxes for that, but also for some s'mores. Obviously I got other s'more stuff, but there's that. I got a couple cans of mushrooms. I've had a couple of occasions over the last couple of weeks where I've wanted these for like to top burgers with or to put with steaks and stuff, and haven't had them, so there's that. The kids are needing extra snacks just because it's summer break, so I did get 2 boxes of these animal crackers, which are more like animal cookies, to be honest, like little shortbread cookies, but they're pretty good. It's nice to bring to the park with us or to the beach, so just grab a box and go. Somebody commented on one of my Aldi hauls a couple months ago when we were talking about the semolina flour, and you guys told me that they actually sell pasta that's made with semolina flour, and it's just semolina flour, salt, eggs, water. My Aldi hasn't had it until today, so I finally saw these and I got a couple bags of these. So I'm excited to talk to my husband about these because he'll think these are cool too, but they were about $1 more than their other pastas that aren't as clean, so I don't think that's that bad. So I got a couple boxes or a couple bags of these, and we'll see kind of how those go. Thing of avocados, a couple things of butter for the month. Kind of moving out of orange season, so I got a watermelon and a pineapple for the kids. They'll like that. I'll cut that up and we'll have that for like 1 week throughout the month for snacks for the kids. I got 4 bags of apples. The other 2 must still be in the back of the car, but I got 2 bags of Granny Smith, 2 bags of Galas. Granny Smith are more expensive, so then I offset it with the cheapest apples that they had, which were Galas. So that's kind of how I did that. My Aldi finally had regular cottage cheese again, so I got 2 things of cottage cheese. I love these. I have 1 or 2 kids that also really like cottage cheese. My husband does as well, so we go through that pretty quickly. 2 bags of green grapes for the month for the kids, and we love to pair pretzels with our grapes for a snack, so I got 2 bags of pretzels for the kids. I got 3 things of strawberries, but my kids already ran off with 1, so 2 things of strawberries will be left. I got these last month for the kids, well, for the household rather, for just like a fun treat, and they went over really well. So this time I got 2 boxes of the M&M ones because these ones were the favorite last time, and I only got 1 box. And then some Snickers ice creams. These are the ones my husband really liked. A whole big stack of tortillas here. I went with the medium-sized ones this time because they were on sale. So I think I got 3 of these, and then I did get a regular of my small flour tortillas. There are 20 in here for the kids for lunches, roll-ups, quesadillas, things like that. I wanted chicken thighs. That seems to be the thing that we like the most around here, but they were sold out, so I just got 2 bags of chicken breasts for the month, and that's gonna be that. 3 things of tomatoes. Hopefully in the next couple of weeks here we'll have garden tomatoes and I won't have to buy them anymore. I have some like Asian style meals on the meal plan this month, and I like to get these just as fun little things for those meals. So I got chicken egg rolls and I got pork, and sometimes, to be honest, I heat these up and we'll just have like 2 egg rolls for lunch sometimes when I'm in a bit of a pinch. 2 things of hard salamis for the kids, for all of us. We really like these. Cheese crackers, a really quick lunch. Bring these to the beach, same thing, just throw this whole thing in the cooler and go, and we really like it that way. I got a whole stack of naan breads. They had a whole box that were marked $1 off, so I got 3. I got 2 of them that are garlic flatbreads. We pretty much only use these to make homemade pizzas, so I thought the garlic would be fun. And then I got 1 of just a plain one that we always get. So lots of pizzas coming up. this month with those. A thing of regular potatoes just for baked potatoes, easy sides when we're grilling and things like that. Just random meals throughout the month. I needed another thing of oats. We're doing a lot of homemade snacks. The kids love to do that, and we're almost out of oats, so I needed those. 2 things of roasted garlic pasta sauce. They didn't have any of the ones that we like. We like the ones with the purple tops, whatever that variety is, but they didn't have any. This is a close second, so we just went with those. Thing of crackers, like I said, for cheese, crackers, sausage. Thing of fruit snacks, easy snacks on the go. 2 things of onion rings. Me and one of my child love onion rings. We do these when we do like burgers or things like that on the grill. So just easy sides. 2 things of marshmallows for our s'mores. I got 3 cucumbers. My kids ran off with one already. I really like these whipped creams for my coffees. So I got a caramel macchiato, which is my favorite, and then a sweet vanilla. These are cold foams. They're not even like whipped creams, but they're so good. Sweet vanilla, just for going back and forth. 3 more bags of green beans. Hopefully the garden will have these for us very soon. I got some chicken patties just for really easy lunches. I haven't got these in a long time, so we'll see how those go over. I got 2 things of queso fresco for when we do Mexican dishes. We're gonna do tacos tonight, so one of those will be for tonight, and then the second one I'm just gonna put in the freezer, and I'll pull it out as we need it. I got 3 things of bacon. We are out of our local bacon, so I have a couple meals this month. BLTs are so easy and so quick, so I wanted to have some bacon in the house for when I want to do those. A big old stack of Aldi chocolate. We love these. My husband does the milk chocolates. I like the dark chocolate, so I went with the dark chocolate sea salt this time, and then I got some regular Hershey's, 2 packages down here for all the s'mores for the kids. Lots of brats. I got cheddar brats for the rest of my family, and I really like these turkey jalapeno ones. I got these last month for the first time. These and cottage cheese in the morning. Really easy breakfast for me. To get 2 things of turkey kielbasa because I needed these. I needed one for a meal, but these are also really nice to have when it's really late in the day and you realize you didn't pull out any meat for dinner. You can pull out a kielbasa and it'll be okay. I needed another olive oil spray. My oldest kids are doing a lot more baking now that they're home for summer, and we're going through it really fast, so I needed another one. And then our cheese pile for the month. 3 things of mozzarella, 3 things of mild cheddar. Honestly, I don't know if this is going to be enough for the month, but we are going to see. And if I need to, we'll get more cheese. But this is what $280 gets you from Aldi for a summer Aldi haul. Not too bad, not too shabby, but as always, I wish it was more.